Poker's becoming for you. Atlanta would be so nice right now.
As you know, I'm Mike.
And you know I'm Claire.
Welcome to episode 8 of Better Homes
and Better Meals. And today we're going to be making out of the January-February 2026 edition of the Better Homes and Gardens magazine,
Dilly Bean Stew with cabbage and frizzled onions.
Oh yeah.
Claire, what is a frizzled onion?
A frizzled onion is somewhere between a caramelized onion and a fried onion. Kind of something like what I used to do to my hair with my Conair hair straightener back in the 8th grade.
Frizzled, Miss Frizzle. Remember that school bus? Right there.
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good.
And did you just call me a school bus?
And just before we get cooking, probably, why are we dressed in sweats today?
Well,
not to mention Better Homes and Gardens and sweatpants.
Tomorrow the high is negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit.
With the wind chill, it's like negative 100.
Yeah,
so
that's what it feels
we
like.
figured cozy wear for cooking a stew to keep us warm.
Yeah. Mike, what is in Dilly Bean Stew with cabbage and frizzled onions?
I am so glad you asked me. Usually you have to read this. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 large yellow onion, 15 ounces of white beans, 4 cups of veggie or chicken broth, 1/4 head of cabbage, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 cup of fresh dill, and some sour cream for serving.
And we added a little bit extra dill for garnish.
You like dill?
What's the big deal?
You are!
We're gonna start by frizzling those onions first.
Let's frizzle them up. Frizzle them up. Frizzle them up. Frizzle them up. Frizzle them up.
Always with the songs. We're gonna start by using those 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're gonna pop those in a pan. We're gonna heat them up with our onions. If we need, we have a little bit of extra olive oil. Yeah, and then we're gonna cook them somewhere between caramelized and fried. Should we?
Miss Frizzle.
Oh shit!
Pistol, the dizzle, and the shizzle.
So while our frizzled onions are frizzling, we're gonna smash some beans!
Smash the bean!
To thicken up our stew, we're gonna need some, not all, of the beans to be smashed. So we decided to put them in a bowl, and we're gonna use
A ladle.
a ladle as a smasher.
Smashing you.
It just looks like it's gonna work. Comment below if you think it's gonna work.
Not too smashed. We're not making refried beans.
Smash
The
beans!
starchiness of the beans is gonna thicken up that stew.
Beans to the stew.
We're adding those beans into
The
the frizzled
smashed
onions.
beans and the other beans. What kind of broth are we using, Claire?
We're using vegetable broth. You can use vegetable or chicken broth, but I
Prefer the vegetable.
honestly, I don't. I could go either way.
She actually just grabbed the wrong one in the store, meant for the chicken.
So we're gonna let this simmer for how long, Mike?
15 to 20 minutes.
It's honestly up to your preference to see how soupy or stewy you want those beans.
Do you prefer soupy or stewy?
Comment below. I love how we get no comments. No comments on any video. If you watch this and you don't leave a comment,
Please comment.
please comment.
Check out that guy. And it is time to add the cabbage and the vinegar. A little more. That's good. All right, now we're gonna stir that bad boy.
Yeah.
Stirring to will.
To wilt?
Stirring
Who's
to
wilt?
Starting to have to go.
Add a teeny knob of softened butter. Live a little. That's what it says. Live a little. Live a little. Live a little.
Of softened butter.
A teeny. I'll show you a teeny knob. You can't say teeny knob.
We have removed the stew from the heat.
Our cabbage is completely wilted.
It smells delicious.
It really does.
And now we are going to
Add half of the dough.
half the dill. Half the dill.
I love dough.
Ooh.
It's like the best smell in the world. I know that we're from the Midwest, but I like pickled like everything.
You said,
Okay, maybe not herring.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Maybe
Have
not
you-
eggs.
Have you had pickled pig's feet?
No. That's good.
No.
I like pickled about everything, like Brussels sprouts, jelly beans,
Jelly beans.
pickles.
You like pickled pickles?
Don't get me started. Have you ever had a Green Lake pickle?
Oh,
Green Lake Pickle Company? The best.
gotta
Green
take
Lake
that back.
Pickle
I
Company.
didn't hit her. We're gonna get ourselves a little ladle.
A little ladle. A little ladle. A little ladle.
Ooh.
Alright. Ladle it up. Well, I was thinking about making those gochujang meatballs, and I'm
Say
glad.
that again?
Gochujang? Do this every
I'll
time.
spell it.
Gochujang. Gochujang. I think. Iridocyclitis.
What?
Iridocyclitis.
You don't remember that video?
No.
Okay, never mind. Now we're gonna top with the frizzled onions. We're gonna top with a little more dill.
Put some dill on there for me.
Also suggests.
A little sour cream. It happens every time. Tito, lick it up.
Lick it up, baby.
All right.
Lick it. Yeah, it smells too good.
This might be my favorite thing we've made so far. January, February edition. Till next time.
See ya.